Hello, and welcome to FSC iCalc's tutorial on calculating required plumbing fixture counts. This tutorial covers calculating required plumbing fixture counts for a floor of a building based on the 2012 IBC and IPC. This requires knowing the occupancy classifications and occupant loads for all parts of the floor, and will give you a printable page that tallies all the requirements for you. We will first go over working with saved floors, and then how to enter a new floor. The first thing we want to do is open up our plumbing fixture count page on iCalc. You'll need to have a pro account in order to use fixture count. If you don't have one right now, that's okay. You can get one for a month for free without entering your card information when you sign up. You can also access this with the architect plan. Go ahead and sign up for that now if you haven't, and meet me back here. So the first thing you'll notice when you come to this page is the two main sections, the menu and your saved floors. If you've never used fixture count before, you'll not have any saved floors, and this is okay. If you have used them before, you will see any previous floors you have saved, and you can perform several options on them, including edit, view, delete, and print to PDF. In this video, we're going to discuss all four of these features, starting with the view, then the PDF, delete, and then edit. We'll then show how to create a new floor and add occupancies on it. So let's start with a preview of what the view will look like, so we know what to expect at the end of our calculations. I'll click on View on a saved project of mine. You can see on this view page that it lists information about your floor, including what occupancy classification it is, a description of the occupancy per 2012 IBC, and the fixtures that will be required of it. This is the answer page, what you will get immediately upon processing the data for your floor. Now, let's check what the PDF will look like. I'll go ahead and click back, and then the PDF link on my latest floor count. This page is intended to be a ready-made summary of the requirements of the floor. You can see that it breaks up requirements by male and female and substitutes the maximum amount of water closets for urinals in the male lavatories. Take note here of the last two lines. Total and provided. Total is the total required plumbing fixture counts of your floor, and provided is left blank for you to fill out per your current design. This will give you a quick rundown of whether or not your floor design meets the requirements and makes it easy for anybody to review. Now if we scroll down, we will see the other requirements for the floor. Here on mine we have a service sink and 2 drinking fountains required. The notes section is important to read when you have your floor count, as it will explain any caveats and adjustments you will need to make. These are straight from the IBC and IPC. So there are 2 other operations we can perform with saved floor counts. Quickly, you can delete them by pressing the delete button, and you will see it is cleared from your iCalc library. Additionally, by clicking edit, you can make changes in the old floor count. Let's try this now. Upon clicking edit, you will see a form for you to add, delete, or adjust occupancies. I will add a new occupancy now. Let's say an educational occupancy, and I'll put 1,000 people in it. We can adjust the gender ratio. Maybe this is an all-boys school, so we get approval to adjust the requirements for plumbing fixtures to reflect this. Hit Process Data, and we'll immediately land on the new View page for this floor. So now that we've seen a little bit about how to work with saved floor counts, we will run through how to make a new one. Come back to the main Plumbing Fixture Count menu. Click on Calculate Fixture Count. You will see a form that closely resembles the edit page, with one major difference at the top. The new floor count will allow you to enter a name for it to tell it apart from the other floors. Let's say this is the second story of our building, and add some occupancies and loads to it. Alright, so we'll click Process Data, and we are brought to the View page, where we can see the familiar outputs for our requirements and a printable page that's ready for us. If we go back to the main page, we can see that the floor we just entered is immediately saved. And if we messed up entering information in it, need to make a change, or even just review it, it will be right there for us. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If you still have any questions, you can reach us by going to the contact page on the iCalc website, or by emailing support@fscinc.com. And I'll leave both those links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos.